Okay, everybody. Jai Hind to all. Welcome to Saraswati Sishupun Bhagwala Borsad with our second part of chapter number 11, that is article. Right. Now in English grammar, we have learned articles. How many articles are there that we have learned? There are 3 articles. That is a and the. Okay, let's revise some rules. Now we have learned a and an article and we have gone through the rules. Now there are 3 main rules of a and an article. Okay, now the first 2 rules are the same. Now which are they? First rule of a and an article, that is the noun must be a countable noun. Noun must be a countable noun that you can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If it is uncountable noun, then there will be no article a or an. Okay, so the first thing that we have to keep in mind that the noun must be a countable noun. That is the first rule. Second rule, that is that must be, the noun must be in its singular form. There should not be more than 1, 2, 3, 4. No, we need only one noun. Noun must be in its singular form. It must be countable. Second, it must be singular. So these 2 rules are the same for a and an article. Now third rule is different in both the articles. For a article, when we can use a article, so when the first letter of the noun begins with consonant. Remember, very important, a article. When the first letter of the noun, begins with the consonant letter. Okay, first of all we have to keep in mind out of 26 alphabets there are 5 vowels, a, e, I, o, u, and rest of the letters are called consonants. So a article we can use when the noun begins with consonant. Okay, apart from a, e, I, o, u, whatever remains, those are consonants. So a article is used when the noun begins with consonant. Okay, for an article, we can write an article when the noun begins with vowel. Remember one thing, when the noun begins with vowel. Vowel, how many vowels are there? Those are 5 vowels. Those are a, e, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. These are vowels. So when you see the vowels in the beginning of any noun, we must keep an article. Okay? But we have to keep those 3 rules every time. It must be countable. Second, it must be in its singular form, and the noun, if it begins with consonant, we must use a article, and when noun begins with vowel sound, we must use an article. Okay, so now let's see our exercise A. Now what is the heading? Every time I am telling you, read the heading twice until you understand the heading. Keep reading. Write a or an before the following nouns. Very easy. Blanks are given, nouns are given. What we have to do? We have to write a or an article before this noun. Okay. Now let's begin. I hope you have understood the rule. So let's begin. First one. Look at the word. Look at the noun. Cake. C-A-K-E. Now look at the first letter. Is it consonant or is it vowel? C is a consonant, right? So if there is a consonant in the beginning of any noun, what we have to keep? Which article? A article. Right. So the first one that we are going to write A article. A cake. A cake. C. First letter. Every time you have to observe the first letter. C. A cake. Let's move to a second. Dash Easter egg. Easter egg. See the first letter. That is E. Here we are not talking about the festival. Here we are talking about A. Cake is countable singular. Egg is countable singular. So, but look at here. First letter begins with E. A, E, I, O, U. That is vowel. So, what we have to write if the noun begins with vowel and is sorry. And is the A. That's honest man. Now here there is little bit different. The spelling begins with H, but the pronunciation begins with O sound. Honest man. It is not honest man. It is honest man. That begins with O sound. So the rule is that if the first letter or the sound begins with vowel, then we must give an article. Here, though there is H consonant, but the sound begins with O, and O comes in our vowel. A, E, I, O, U. So those are vowels. So here pronunciation is like O, honest man. So if there is vowel, what we have to give? An article. Bell, B. Is it vowel? A, E, I, O, U? No, it is consonant. So A article. A bell. Ferry, F. A, E, I, O, U. No vowel. Consonant. If there is consonant, A article. If there is vowel, an article. A ferry. Island begins with I. Is there consonant or vowel? A, E, I. A, E, I, O, U. Vowel. An article. Guest, G. It begins with G. Is there vowel? A, E, I, O, U. There is no G. So what is that? Consonant. So there must be A article. A guest. Toothpick. Toothpick. Now there is no S. That is singular. Toothpick. One pick. Now what is the first letter? Consonant or vowel? T. That is consonant. So if there is consonant, the article A you will use. A toothpick. That's good idea. That's good idea. Now here we are talking about idea, but here adjective is given. Good. So we don't have to look at idea I. We have to observe the first letter of the noun G. Good. G. Now is there vowel? Is it vowel? G? No. What is that? Consonant. So a good idea. Angry lady. Now here lady, we are talking about lady. L. But see here, adjective is given. Whenever you find such nouns, you have to look the adjectives. If it begins with vowel, an article. If it begins with consonant, or. Okay. Angry, A. A means vowel. A, E, I, O, U. A. So there must be an article. Clear? I hope you have understood the exercise. Let's switch to our second exercise. Okay, let's begin our next exercise. Fill in the blanks with A or N. Another exercise to keep our base or to make our base strong. Okay, the rules are the same. Very easy. Noun must be countable. Noun must be singular. Consonant noun, A article, begins with vowel, an article. Let's see. Now these are the sentences. Can you see that old lady crossing the road? Can you see that old lady? See the first letter, that is O. Vowel, A-E-I-O-U. So if the noun begins with vowel, then an article. Can you see an old lady crossing the road? Usha is dash fast runner. After blank there is a noun. Sorry, adjective, fast. What is the first letter? F. F means consonant. Consonant means a article. Very easy. Usha is a fast runner. I will place dash order for the day. Order. See the first letter. After that you have to see the word. And after observing the word, observe the first letter. Is it vowel or consonant? According to that we have to give a or an article. Order means O. It begins with O. Vowel. So an article. I will place an order for the cake. Ruby is dash brave child. After that brave. First letter B. A-E-I-O-U. No vowel. It is consonant. Consonant means a article. Ruby is a brave child. Do you know how to make dash eggless cake? Eggless. E. E means vowel. Vowel means an article. There is dash glass door over here. Glass door. First letter, first word, that is glass, begins with G. G means consonant. So consonant means a article. There is a glass door over here. Number 7. Did you bring dash coat? After blank there is the word coat. Begins with C. C means consonant. Consonant means a article. Did you bring a coat? That is that interesting story. We are talking about the story, but the adjective is given that is interesting. It begins with I. A-E-I-O-U. I. I means vowel. Vowel means an article. That is an interesting story. I am going to make that apple pie. Apple begins with vowel A. So an article. Can you give me a piece of chicken? Piece begins with P, the letter P, and P is consonant. Consonant means a article. Can you give me a piece of chicken? Okay. So I hope you have understood both the exercises. When to keep a article, when to keep an article. Let's revise. Rules. First rule for both articles. Noun must be a countable noun. Second, noun must be in its singular form. For a article, if the noun begins with consonant, we must give a article, and if the noun begins with vowel A-E-I-O-U, then we will write an article. Okay, so I hope you have understood the topic, that is a and an article. If you have confused any query, please rewatch the video.